dagger board sure is deflecting a lot.
Is what?
Deflecting a lot.
Oh yeah, I know.